In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention a teammate in Intercom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to loop in a colleague so they're notified right away, the conversation lands in their mentions inbox, and your discussion stays completely internal and invisible to customers. First, head to Inbox. This is your central hub for ongoing conversations. If you work across multiple inboxes, make sure you're in the right one so you're looking at the correct thread. Next, open the conversation where you need input. Take a quick moment to skim the history so you can add a helpful note with context. That way, when your teammate is notified, they won't have to dig for details. Now switch from reply to note. You'll typically find the note option near the composer where you'd normally type a customer response. Clicking note changes the composer to an internal mode. This is important. Anything you write here is visible only to your team, not to the customer. If you don't see the note option, it could be because of your permissions or the conversation state, so double check that you're in the right place. In the note composer, type the @ symbol, the @ sign. This triggers the mention feature and opens a search field right where you're typing. Start entering your teammate's name. As you type, Intercom will suggest matching teammates. If you see multiple similar names, look closely at the profile details in the suggestions to pick the right person. If nothing appears, verify the spelling and make sure the person is part of your workspace. Select your teammate from the list. You'll see their name converted into a mention right in the note. This ensures they're correctly tagged and will receive the notification tied to this conversation. Finish writing your internal note with the key context, what you need, and any next steps you're proposing. Keep it concise but complete so your teammate can act quickly without back and forth. When you're ready, click Send Note. The moment you send it, your teammate is notified immediately, and the conversation appears in their mentions inbox for easy tracking. Remember, this is strictly for internal collaboration. Nothing you add in a note is visible to the customer. That's all it takes. Go to Inbox, open the relevant conversation, click Note, type @ search and select your teammate, and send the note. Use mentions to keep your team aligned, move faster on tricky questions, and maintain a clean separation between customer replies and internal discussion.